बचपन से उसको शौक था गाड़ी का, बहुत ही ओल्ड कार्स पाहिजे त्याला.
She's a dream to drive. She moves like a dream.
I was very close to the car. We all loved the color, freedom blue.
I've been up with cars all my life.
There was something which created the bond between this car and me.
These cars are just not mere machines. Driving a vintage car has a joy that's unexplainable until you've done it.
It's a very powerful memory, which is what makes it so rare and desirable.
This car is sort of made me who I am, you know.
Everything was in a big mess. Then it's of no use, the car, he said.
मी म्हटलं याला गाडी का म्हणायचं, म्हणजे गाडी म्हटल्यासारखं याच्यात काय आहे.
When I first saw this car, I was like, okay, this is a car.
I never thought that this could be rebuilt. But I said, I'm going to repair this, come what may, you know.
There is a possibility to put it back together. Chance hai. हो जाएगा.
And this is what I enjoy most whenever we find a new car, is meeting the people associated with it, hearing the stories that they tell us, and forging relationships for life.